Today, we're talking about something very special: our homes. Whether you're a homeowner, renter, or just starting to decorate your space, this video is for you. I'm excited to share some amazing tips and ideas to make your house a home. 1. Decluttering and minimalism. Before we dive into decorating, let's talk about the foundation of a cozy home. Decluttering, getting rid of unnecessary items, can completely transform your space.
Tips.
Here are some quick tips. 1. Start small. Begin with one area or room. 2. Sort items into categories: keep, donate, sell, and toss. 3. Ask yourself, do I truly need this? 4. Schedule regular decluttering sessions. 2. Decor inspiration. Now that we've decluttered, let's talk decor. Your home should reflect your personality.
Tips.
1. Color schemes. Choose hues that make you happy. 2. Textures. Mix patterns, fabrics, and materials. 3. Lighting. Use table lamps, string lights, or natural light. 4. Personal touches. Display meaningful items, like family photos or artwork. 3. Organization hacks. Staying organized is key to a stress-free home life.
Tips.
1. Labeling storage containers. 2. Utilizing vertical space. 3. Creating a launching pad for daily essentials. 4. Implementing a one-in, one-out policy. 4. Making it personal. Your home should tell your story.
Tips.
Add personal touches with 1. Family photos and heirlooms. 2. DIY projects, like artwork or throw pillows. 3. Collectibles or sentimental items. 4. Plants, they bring life and warmth. That's it for today's video. Remember, your home is a reflection of you. Take your time, have fun, and make it your own.